All right, guys, we're back. So this is Sunny. Sunny's gonna be our ride for the day. We're gonna head out to work. That's about 30 minutes or so to get to work. This is gonna be the first try of the Ace Pro 2. It's a little cloudy today. It looks like we might catch some rain, so we can see how it'll do in the rain and how it'll do, riding out in this weather. Our setup today, I'm going to be using my AGV K6S. AGV, if you're watching this, please, I need a black smoke visor. I promise I have money to trade. But back to the setup. We also are using the chin mount for the AGV, and we're just using the standard GoPro mounting clip. Sounds like rain's coming. Anyways, that and the magnetic mount that the Ace Pro 2 comes with. Just a fair warning, guys. The camera is out of factory settings, so glamour mode's not enabled. Nothing's been enhanced. This is in auto, straight out of the box. 8K 30 FPS, just so you know. So this is what you're gonna get straight out of the box with the Ace Pro 2. Alright, we'll see you on the road. Alright guys, we're back. We've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 mounted on my helmet, and we are using the Cardo. For voice. So, for those of you that don't know, the Cardo and Insta360 can be paired together. No wires, no extra app, nothing like that. Just pair and go. It's a fairly easy process. You gotta set both of them into pairing mode, and they connect pretty quickly. The downside, in my opinion, the downside to the Cardo and the Insta connection is one, you no longer have access to your music, and two, you can't chat with your partner or friends or whoever. You have to unpair from your phone in order to pair into the Insta360s. And that goes, I believe it's for the X3, the X4, the Ace Pro, and the Ace Pro 2 that can all connect with the Cardo systems. Anyways, I did get a chance to listen to the audio a little bit. I did another take of another ride yesterday, and the ride didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to. There's a part coming. Mirror messed up. Mirrors are important, guys. Mirrors are important. Anyway, I got a chance to listen to the audio recording from yesterday's ride, and it's doable. I like it. It's very quiet. It gives you that muffled sound. Yeah, we're already starting to get dropped. It gives you that muffled sound that obviously you can have a muffled sound as you're in the helmet, but yeah, it's very quiet. It's very, what's the word? The noise suppression on the Cardo is very good, and that's one reason that I do use the Cardo, because I make a lot of phone calls. I own a business on the side, and making phone calls is, receiving and phone calls is very important to keep my business going. So the noise suppression really helps. Now, for vlogging and things like this, it's a little more annoying, because you have random silence, like that, like that one right there. When you stop talking, it's just dead. So it kind of forces you to talk. It forces you to be, a content creator, in other words. I mean, if you're doing, you shorts, reels, or TikToks where you're just gonna use here and there, it's perfect. I mean, it really is perfect. If you're planning to do long form content, or stuff of that nature, yeah, you're gonna have a harder time, because you gotta constantly be talking. You gotta constantly be saying something. Anyways, the Cardo, look, it's our brother. Hey, he saw me. Enough about the voice.
I saw.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. Only because the audio started getting really bad while I was on the highway. I guess the mic suppression was too high, so it was cutting in and out, trying to stop the sound of the air. The AGV is a great helmet, very lightweight, very aesthetically pleasing, but as far as sound goes, it's one of the loudest helmets I've had. No complaints though. I love my helmet. You know, I love it. I knew what I was signing up for when I bought it. But anyways, this is just some examples of the low light capabilities that the Ace Pro 2 has. Keep in mind, this here, what you're seeing is unedited. Insta360 offers like editing in their software where you can enhance the darkness, add a little bit more exposure, bring out the brightness, all that good stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and show you an example here. So what you're looking at side by side is the unedited, and I'll have it labeled the unedited and the edited. So in my opinion, the Ace Pro 2's low light capability is really good. It's really good. I do like the way it looks. It captures it. You can also hear the audio coming in. This is the audio straight from the install on the outside of my helmet. I do have the muffle on the mic. It comes with, when you purchase the Ace Pro 2, it comes with a little filter for your mic, and I do have that one on. So it is a little loud. You can hear a lot of noise. I mean, which you would expect going 83 miles an hour down the highway with the mic facing forward. So one thing I didn't like about the Cardo, which might be able to be adjusted with the sound suppression settings on the Cardo itself, is the fact that you can't hear the bike. You can't hear the bike. You can't hear the road noise. You can only hear yourself. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong. That's good that you can hear yourself. But maybe adding an external mic to the back of your bike or something else will let you hear the audio coming from the bike and the outside as well as your voice. Other than that, guys, I'm really enjoying the Ace Pro 2. I do really recommend it for anybody that's in the market for a new action camera. The low light capability is definitely something to consider. 8K 30 FPS looks amazing. Oh, another thing that I don't really like, if you look closely to this video as I turn my head in the dark, it has a lot of motion blur. It has a lot of motion blur, so and I've noticed that really only happens in the dark, or in low light settings, and that just might be the AI trying to compensate for the movement. Like even like looking left and right, you see it how it's kind of blurry. So just things to consider, but overall I'm really happy with my purchase. Overall, I really think it's a fantastic product, and then paired with my Insta360 X3, like I said, the ease of use, the ability to use the same software. You don't have to download a new app. You don't have to nothing. Like if you have an Insta360 X3, X4, X2, the same exact software is what you're going to use for Ace Pro 2. So that's just my 2 cents on the whole subject, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you like my page. It all helps. I appreciate it. Thanks.